Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marky. In today's video I'm showing you guys absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition. Now it's actually going to allow me to head to the Jurassic Dimension. If you guys just want to go ahead and head to the Jurassic Dimension for yourself, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Park Edition Jurassic Dinosaur Dimension add-on. Wow, that was a long name, guys, but before I show you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition Dimension, I just want to say that we are so very close to 200,000 subscribers, so please, if you have not already subscribed, please make sure to hit the red button and subscribe, guys. Please make sure to subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, then I thank you for your support, and I love all of you guys. But basically, what you're going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need cobblestone. You want to place 2 of them just like that, guys. Then you're going to need mossy stone, and you want to place 1 of those on each side. So 1, 2, just like that, guys. Then you just want to go ahead, jump on up on top of that mossy stone, and place 1, 2, 3 cobblestone blocks, followed by 1 mossy stone, guys. Then you just want to go ahead, look around, make sure that you don't see. Oh my god, is that a dinosaur? No, oh my god, over there's a Chicosaurus. Wow, that was amazing. That's a rare find, guys. But let's go ahead and jump on down. And then you just want to go ahead and you want to place 1, 2, 3 cobblestone, then 2 cobblestone in the middle, and then 1 mossy stone, guys. Then you can just go on and jump on down and take a look at the absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just built. Now it's time to light this baby up. Boom! Wow! That looks absolutely amazing, guys. I bring in my enchanted golden apples in case any dinosaurs try to attack me, and I'm also bringing some TNT in case I have to blow any of them into pieces. But let's go ahead and head on in, guys. Whee! Oh my god. I just jumped straight through, guys. I cannot believe that. Let's go ahead and head into this dimension. Hopefully it loads up quick. Wow, that loaded up quick, guys, and wow, this place looks amazing. What is this? This is some kind of like sub cart or something, guys. It looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and head on inside. Should we head to the back? Should we head to the front? Should we head to the back? The front? I'll head to the front, guys. Let's go ahead and see what we can do in the front. Well, this would kind of be awkward to drive because I would have to keep jumping up to look out. I'd be like, oh no, I'm driving. Oh no, oh no, oh no, something's heading right towards me. Oh no, we're about to crash. No, oh, it's coming closer. No, oh snap, oh, boom. And then we'd probably get hit, guys, and we'd probably all die. But let's go ahead and see what's in the back of the bus. It looks like there's a bed. Obviously, it's for my villager because he really loves sleeping on a bed in a bus. Ain't that right, villager? Look at him. He's excited. He's jumping. He's jumping with excitement, guys. Like, he couldn't be happier right now. Let's go ahead and head on out. I'm going to go ahead and close this up so he's not able to get out. And I'm never going to let him out of there. Don't worry, villager. I'll be back for you. I definitely will come back and get you out. Are you alright with that? Yeah? I'm never going back to get him out, guys. I'm never breaking him out of that little train. He's going to be in there for the rest of his life. He's going to be an old man in there. Although it's going to be kind of awkward for him to use it. But whoa. Oh my god. They have a pond. This is how people back in the olden days used to bath, guys. Was in ponds like this. And oh my god. I haven't seen one of these in ages, guys. This is an old stone bed, guys. This is what they used to have to sleep on. They would just lay their little heads on it and fall asleep. And then they would wake up and go take a bath, guys. Because, you know, you're probably going to be kind of dirty after you sleep on a bunch of stones. But, whoa, this must be the laboratory, guys. And, oh, my God. Whoa. It's a Pigosaurus. Oh, my God. Now, the difference between the Pigosaurus and a regular pig is a regular pig can only move about maybe 2 miles an hour. A Pigosaurus can move up to 1,000 miles an hour. Look at him. Oh my god, they're gone. And look at my pig. He's just dragging his feet, guys. He is just dragging his feet. Like, those pigs are super fast. And over here, what is this? These are batarangs. And the difference between these guys and regular bats is their eyes are all white. And they can actually see in the daytime, to where regular bats can only see at night, guys. And oh my god, they're super fast as well, guys. Like really, really fast. You would not want to get attacked by these guys. And then right here is a bunch of Squidwards. Oh my god, it's a bunch of Squidwards. I was not expecting to see Squidward today, guys. And oh my god, what are those two over there doing? Ew, they're like kissing each other or something, guys. That's nasty. But I could probably watch it all day. But let's go ahead and see what's happening over here. Oh my god. It's the wolf of Dactyl. Whoa. And they have a baby wolfodactyl. Oh my god. Whoa. He can move super quick, guys. You would not want to hit one of these guys, because then they would all hop on you and probably be ripping your neck off at once, guys. But oh my god, that cow's down there acting crazy. There must be something really exciting down there, guys. And oh my god, what are these? Oh, these is obviously just like little shops where you'll find like pictures and whatnot. And oh my god, now I know why he was flipping, guys. Wow. And oh my god, those chickens are doing like a dance. And over there's a creeper. It isn't a regular creeper, guys. It's a creeperdactyl. No. Oh my god, they can move quick. Boom, but they don't blow up so quick. They still kind of blow up like a regular creeper, which is kind of odd, but kind of funny, guys. Whoa, what is this? You know what? I'm going to swim over there into his mouth and see what's inside. And if there ain't nothing too interesting inside, I'm probably just going to blow up his tongue. I'm probably going to blow up his tongue if there is something interesting inside, because I really just want to blow up his gigantic tongue. That way he can't lick nobody. He will never lick anybody again, guys. But wow, that's a humongous tongue. Like, look at the size of that baby. I'm gonna tongue punch it. Nothing really happened. But oh my god, he ate my pig. And he also ate my villager, guys. I am going to get you guys out of here, because I'm not going to let him get away with this. You hear me, pig? I will rescue you. You know what? I'm going to have to do it, guys. I'm going to have to blow up his tongue. And oh my god, he even swallowed Squidward. That is just wrong. That is not right at all, guys. I'm about to break them out of here. Or I might just kill them. Yeah, well, I mean, it was going to die either way, so, I mean, at least it's better to take the chance with this than just let them die. But wow, look at this place, and whoa, there's a big audience watching us. You guys are really about to see something special, guys. But as always, guys, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also let me know what dimension you want to see me head to next. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Wow, we blew up that tongue. Bye.